Don Lemon is an American television journalist best known for being a host on CNN from 2014 until 2023. Don Lemon, the former CNN anchor and current independent journalist and host of the Don Lemon Show, streaming on YouTube and other platforms, was arrested on January 29 or 30, 2026 by federal agent in Los Angeles. This is the most recent and prominent news about him. The arrest stems from his coverage of and alleged involvement in a January 18, 2026 protest at City Church in St. Paul, Minnesota. Protesters disrupt a search service to oppose U.S. immigration enforcement anti-ICE action, including sending against ICE amid tension over federal deportation policies under the current administration. Lemon, who live streamed parts of the event as a journalist, was present with a producer. Earlier, a federal magistrate judge rejected initial search warrants against Lemon and others, citing insufficient evidence, a decision that reportedly frustrated DOJ officials. The case was revived, leading to the arrest. He anchored weekend news program on local television station in Alabama during his early days as a journalist. Lemon worked as a news correspondent for NBC on its programming such as Today and NBC Night News. He joined CNN in 2006 also as a correspondent and later achieved prominence as the presenter of Don Leon Tonight from 2014 to 2022. Lemon was fired from CNN in 2023 after controversial comments. He has since hosted his own show focusing on social issues, race, current events, and democracy.